In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can recover a hidden photo if you've accidentally hid it by mistake. For example, this photo here, if I tap it, maybe I meant to press settings, but I pressed hide by accident. And right now, that photo has now gone. So if I was to go here or here, it's gone. If you're quick, you can just quickly press the undo down here. Let me just quickly show you that. So if you press hide, you're like, oh, I didn't mean to do that. Just go undo. And now the photo is visible again. But let's say if you've left it more than a few seconds, you can still get that photo back. So we're going to go to here, and we're going to go to My Photos. And it will only show you the ones that are not hidden. But if you go to this little icon just here, you can see we have an option, Filter Gallery By. It says Shown. We've got one that says Hidden. So press Hidden. And all of a sudden, you will see the photo will reappear. But you can see it's hidden because it's got the eye with the line through it. Now you need to tap the photo that you want to unhide. The first time you tap it, it will just get rid of the menu. Tap it again. And now you have an option to show this one here. So press Show. And you can see that eye is now gone. And it says Photo was unhidden. Then if you press X, you will now see that it's come back on here. And if we go back to here again, you will see that it will now be displayed. So that's it. That's how to, if you've accidentally hidden a photo, that's how to get it back again. Straightforward. Thanks for watching.